Alright, so here we have probably a 10-year-old toolbox, Craftsman, and we got 4 drawers in the bottom. We got a drawer liner in the majority of it. No liner in that one. Liner. And in the top, missing a liner. Got a liner. No liner in the little one. So, we got liners in probably 80% of her, if that's important to you. She's as clean as I can get her, or as I'm gonna get her, that is. Top does hold stuff, but the wheels are intact, behave properly. Don't have keys for it. This little lock mechanism thing slides. Well, you hook it up under there and then it goes to this little thing right there if you're going to use it. As you see, we got a little surface rust on the bottom cabinet. I believe that's from a neighbor's cat's pee, but all the rest of it looks pretty good. And hey, a black rattle can of spray paint, whatever. Got some hooks going on the side. And then as far as the height of her, hold on, cool. Alright, as far as the height goes, however tall that is, what is it, 5'5". The top cabinets, what are they? Tops are a foot. Bottom cabinet, what was that, 16? And then the width is 26. And the bottom it's symmetrical, so it should be the same. What was that, 26 1/4? But got the very sought after middle box, and I think that's about it. This toolbox has done me well for 10 years. Alright, I hope you enjoyed.